11. And, if you're intending on dating a single mother, do not squander her time. If you're wondering how to ask out a single mom, remember that they need to do a lot of juggling. Ask her out ahead of time so she can make arrangements for somebody to enjoy the kids, Dr. Then, keep your commitments, given that making that time for you probably took a great deal of arranging on her end. 12. Make it easy. A single mama does not require additional difficulty in her life. The very best thing you can do when dating a single mommy is support her relationship with her children, Morin states. Comprehend the kids come first. However, that doesn't suggest there isn't space for you. Her kids are a top priority, so the quantity of time and energy she is able to put into your relationship does not necessarily show how she feels about you, Dr. Friedenthal states. Search for other expressions of interest and love. 14. She does have a part of her identity that's not covered up in raising children, and that's probably what she wishes to check out with you. Bear in mind that while her kids play a big function in her life, there are lots of aspects to her in addition to being a mom, she includes. Most importantly, tread gently when satisfying the kids for the very first time. If you have actually made it this far, congratulations. Single mothers do not simply let anybody into their kids' lives. But you still need to tread into these waters gently. Be warm and inviting, however do not press a kid to talk with you or spend excessive time with you initially, Morin states. Do not push the concern if that's the case. It can be helpful to make the first conference an activity that you can do together. Even something as basic as playing soccer in the yard or playing a board game can take the pressure off from needing to talk excessive. This material is developed and maintained by a third party, and imported onto this page to assist users offer their email addresses. You may be able to find more info about this and similar material at. Close this dialog window. Share and more. Back to story. Discuss this job. This link is to an external website that may or might not satisfy accessibility standards. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.